Ladies and gentlemen, friends, dreamers, and champions in the making. Today is not just another day. Today is a reminder, a wake-up call, a powerful message written in bold letters across our future. Now time to win 2026. Not tomorrow, not someday, not when everything becomes perfect. The time is now. We stand at the edge of a brand new chapter. 2026 is not just a number on a calendar. It's a destination, a mission, and an opportunity waiting for those who dare to prepare. Every great victory begins long before the applause, long before the spotlight, long before the results. It begins in moments like this, when we choose to rise instead of rest, build instead of wait, and believe instead of doubt. Look back for a moment, not with regret, but with gratitude. The challenges you faced did not break you, they built you. The setbacks you experienced did not stop you, they shaped you. The delays were not denials, they were training. You survived the storms of yesterday so you can shine in the skies of tomorrow. But listen carefully, 2026 will not be won by wishing. It will be won by working. Not by luck, but by discipline. Not by waiting, but by moving. This is the year to stop saying, one day, and start saying, day one. From today onward, every small effort counts. Every habit matters. Every decision becomes a brick in the foundation of your success. Dreams don't respond to excuses. They respond to action. And action begins when courage becomes louder than fear. So ask yourself, what do you really want in 2026? A new career? A healthier body? A better mindset? A stronger financial life? A project finally completed? A goal finally achieved? Whatever it is, it will not arrive by magic. It will arrive because you showed up for yourself. There will be days when motivation is missing. Days when results feel slow. Days when other people seem ahead. But remember this. Success is not a race. It's a commitment. Winning is not about speed. It's about consistency. And progress is still progress, even if it is small. The world remembers winners not because they never fell, but because they never stayed down. Champions are not born. They are built through ordinary days with extraordinary dedication. If you failed in the past, good. It means you tried. If you were rejected, good. It means you aimed high. If people doubted you, good. It means your dreams are bigger than their imagination. 2026 is your comeback year. Your breakthrough year. Your transformation year. But it starts with a decision, a simple but powerful commitment. I will not quit on myself. From now on, speak to yourself like a friend, not an enemy. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Cut away the excuses that drain your potential. Surround yourself with people who lift you higher. Protect your energy like it's a treasure, because it is. And remember, your future is listening. Your dreams are waiting. Your destiny is watching to see what you do today. Every Sunri say from this moment forward whispers the same message. You still have time. You still have a chance. But don't confuse time with unlimited opportunity. We are not promised endless chances. That's why now is powerful. Not next year. Not next month. Not when conditions are perfect. Not when you feel ready. You become ready by starting. So stand tall. Lift your head. Fill your heart with belief. And take one step today, just one. Because small steps repeated daily turn into giant victories. Imagine the version of you standing at the end of 2026, stronger, wiser, proud, grateful. That version of you is calling from the future saying, don't stop. Keep going. I am waiting for you. Let this be the year you chase goals that scare you and dreams that excite you. The year you stop shrinking to make others comfortable. The year you stop apologizing for wanting more. The year you stop surviving and start winning. No more holding back. No more second guessing. No more silent losing. Your story is not finished. Your potential is not used up. Your time is not over. Your time is beginning. So say it with confidence, with fire, with promise. Now time to win 2026. Not just for the world to see, but for you to feel, for your family to smile, for your future to change, for your dreams to finally breathe. Let's rise together. Let's work together. Let's grow together. And when 2026 arrives, we won't be hoping to win. We'll be ready to win. Because starting today, we are no longer waiting for the right time. We are creating it. Thank you. And remember, the journey starts now. The victory belongs to you. And 2026 is yours to conquer. Let's go win it. Sparkles fire.